all war is due to Kala's spirit or energy descending into matter, the higher self to the lower personality. The matter we experience that causes war is the lower mind, this personality, the energy of the lower 3 seals and chakras, also known as this dragon energy. That is energy that is polarized, like good versus evil. It is always in war and in the mind. The descent of light, spirit clothe itself in matter so that it can express itself and evolve up through matter by spiritualizing it and return to its source. And this inability of the lower vibrations of matter to respond to the higher vibrations of spirit is what causes the resistance until the self-realization of spirit, when then matter becomes finer and more plastic to the responsive expression of spirit. The resistance and struggle is brought about by the human animal instincts and the desires of the senses, which must be mastered and voluntarily submitted to the uplifting and spiritual control of the will. And this mental war manifests in the intellect to temporary refusal of the head to obey the promptings of the heart until we are self-conscious of our reflections. This resistance will remain active and the animal element of antagonism grows. Until we awaken to our human animal, the unhealed inner child of the mind, our intellect will be unable to recognize our divinity and receive higher guidance. This is the war manifesting inside all of us between the higher mind, which is divine, and the lower mind, which is the animal soul. This friction is what creates the suffering and personality of polarity, a war-like mind.